Hey, what's going on? I am back with two unboxings today. Just picked these up from UPS. They're quite similar. One is actually a gift for my dad. One is a gift for myself. So first unboxing, this is the one for myself. Whoop. It is the Newppon 180-degree rotatable running phone armband with key holder for iPhone XS Max, XR, X8, 7, 6, 6S, plus Samsung Galaxy S9, S8, S7, S6, Edge, Note, Note 8, Google Pixel, Google Pixel LG, I don't know. Anyways, I recently purchased a iPhone XR. I actually unboxed it. It was not that any of my videos are that good. They're all pretty bad, and eventually, hopefully, the videos will get better. But that one in particular, I thought came out crappy. In any case, here's the case for it. This right here is actually iPhone 7 Plus. I'm going to actually use this rotating armband for the phone that's actually capturing this video. So I don't know, for kicks maybe I'll see if it fits. I don't even know how the hell does this even work actually. Close this. In any case, I'm going to, let's see, take this out. So I guess this would, I can't really roll up my sleeve any more than I have already. Probably should have thought of that before, but essentially go in like this. I bring it up here probably. From there, attach the phone. I think it goes. Well, it doesn't actually say the iPhone 7 Plus. Well, that's the 8 and stuff. I don't know. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. I'll look into it a bit more probably after this video is done. At some point, I might review it. In any case, $12.98. Black. I kind of thought it wasn't the nicest looking holder, but looking at it in person, it looks pretty good. It looks fairly sturdy. What else? So this 180-degree rotatable phone running armband. I think the 180 part is pretty cool, and the reason I think it's cool is because sometimes if you're at the gym and you have this on your arm, it's kind of weird to like type or to even look at the screen. So if you can just turn it, I think that's pretty effective. So I guess these things are super flexible. What else? Ventilation design. There are some questions about it, which I'll just read off. It's number 5 in cell phone armbands as far as sales go on Amazon. It's rated 4.3 out of 5 stars, 143 customer reviews. Top voted question, only has 2 upvotes, but does it can fit for iPhone XS Max with case, and does it breathable? Easy to use and can keep phone steady. Gonna assume English isn't the first language of the person that wrote the question, but I think I get what they're saying. Anyways, the answer according to the seller is yes, this armband fits any size of iPhone with case, including iPhone XS Max. Is very breathable whether you do any exercise. Also can swivel at the right angle you would like and hold the cell phone tightly. To be frank, I don't. Oh, there he goes. So I guess. Oh yeah. So that's pretty cool. I just kind of twisted it around. I think I just have to kind of get a better handle on how to fit the phone. I think it oh, I got it, finally. Let's see how this goes here. God, I'm probably like, actually, I'm not even gonna do it with this phone because I'm probably gonna overstretch it. I'll save it for my phone that's actually recording this, but I guess you guys get the point. Just real quick, let me see if any of these customer reviews jump out. Jim Green says, the Newppon iPhone Armband is a simple and affordable option for running and exercise. The Velcro closures connect very well. The rubber connectors for the phone are heavy enough to feel secure about using them on my iPhone XS Max. The material will wash well after perspiration. While I'm not that big of a guy, if it's securely in my biceps and forearms when I ran, it should work extremely well for ladies and most men. So one of these days, as I promised on many unboxing videos now, or at least the recent ones, I will start reviewing products. That day will come. Oh yeah, this is probably like the weird little key holder thing they got here. For kicks, let's say you got some big guns or biceps or arms, so it's pretty big. So, I mean, for kicks, you know, this is with my shirt on. Still got a good amount of space, so if you're a guy with big arms, probably can hold it, unless you got like, I don't know, some bodybuilder, Arnold Schwarzenegger, Lou Ferrigno arms. But anyways, thanks for watching this video. I'm just about to unbox this one right here next. Like I said, it's kind of a somewhat similar product. Thanks.